Hello here at Penny's Playhouse. I want to introduce to you all the characters of Penny's Playhouse. They're at the door. Someone's knocking at the door. Who is it?
It's me, Pee-wee.
Well, come on in. Oh, you look. Hey, we're so glad to have you come and play.
Thank you.
You look so nice today.
Thank you, Pee-wee.
And who is this sitting next to me? Is this the salesman?
Oh, Terry, how was your day today, Terry? Good, Terry. Hi, Pee-wee.
Well, hello, and who is this?
Randy.
Randy? Randy, you stop smoking those cigarettes. They're not good for you.
I'm not. It's just gum.
Well, it's a good thing. Don't smoke the real ones.
I'm just kidding.
Hello from everybody here at Penny's Playhouse. We gotta go back to Tennessee.
Terry, are you the baby? What do you say, Grant?
Terry's the baby.
Well, Pee-wee.
Terry.
Rachel, go door to door.
Daddy.
See, I'm going door to door.
Hello.
I thought you were going door to door.
Okay, Rachel's coming in.
Knock, knock, knock.
No, it's the door again. Let me open the door.
No, Abby. He's got. I'm going door to door to give you a great deal.
Oh, you are? What kind of deal?
I don't like that.